Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citizens Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial situation. Gather all your income information, including paychecks and any additional income sources. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent, mortgage, and insurance. Variable costs cover groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Add up all your income to determine your total monthly earnings. Calculate your total monthly expenses by summing the fixed and variable costs. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. If you have a surplus, consider allocating that money towards savings or debt repayment. If you have a deficit, you will need to identify areas to cut back. Use Citizens Bank's budgeting tools for a clearer view of your finances. Log into your online banking account or mobile app. Navigate to the budgeting section for helpful resources. Set financial goals based on your surplus or deficit. Choose short-term and long-term goals that are realistic and achievable. Monitor your spending habits regularly to stay on track. Adjust your budget as necessary to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Finally, review your budget monthly to ensure you remain aligned with your financial goals. Stay disciplined and committed to your budgeting process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.